Now today we will discuss a whole new concept behind physics, that is how to create an application through AI, that is ChatGPT. Now to create this app, it has a very some pros and cons. Now I discuss the cons. Now first, you need the application. You mind, let us say I want a 3D game, I want to play like a temple run, I want to create like a temple run game, I want to like create an angry bird game. So this AI is not making such type of the game. It create a app like just for time pass, and it not create a 3D game which want you like to do. If you play like a temple run, if you like playing a subway subs, and all in all, this is not create any one of this game. Now what is this create? It create like a tic-tac-toe game, a basic cricket game. Now in this cricket game, it will not provide a player like a batsman is doing batting and bowler is doing bowling. No, it is not. Now what type of game does it make, we will discuss later on this video. Now I will share the command of this whole new how to develop application through ChatGPT. So I want to create a game. Let us say I want to create a tic-tac-toe game, or I say a cricket game. So let us say I want to create a cricket game. So I just want to type I want a, just you can simply open ChatGPT and you can create your own game. Uh, but but I discussed that the cons, that it cannot make games like 3D which you want to make any. So it makes a 2D game. It is say a time pass game, this and all. So it not make a 3D game, but whichever you like the game, tic tac toe, cricket, ludo, you can make it, but it cannot form a 3D game. So I want to create a, let us say I want to create a cricket game. I want to create a cricket game. So I give a message to this AI that I want to create a cricket game. So it give me a commands or give me a codings of this kind of this game. So I want to create a cricket game. So give me mobile responsive code. Now what is the meaning of mobile responsive code? Let us say you play a temple run game, and if you do let us say swipe up, swipe down, swipe left, swipe right, it is a mobile responsive code which is scanned and responsive for your any type of actions and reactions that it make. So I want to create a mobile responsive. So give me a mobile responsive code of, now first is HTML, then CSS and JavaScript. Now HTML, CSS and JavaScript, you know the whole skeleton, muscles and the functioning of the all over the games. It is our, you say, let us say in human we have skeleton, muscles and then processings. This type HTML, CSS and JavaScript are also the processing of any games. So I want to create a cricket game. So give me mobile responsive code of HTML, CSS and Java. So I press enter. Now as you can see, this give me a HTML codes and CSS codes and JavaScript. Now this codes is given. Now how to identify that code is running and function properly? So go to this website, that is CodePen. .in and click on start coding. Now if you see these boxes, you one by one put together HTML, CSS and JavaScript. So I prefer first HTML and then CSS. Now CodePad is give you a basic idea that how your games look like. So I want to create that cricket game, that how this is want to like. I also discuss that if you not like the game, how to customize as per your selection, but I already told that it cannot form any 3D or any one of these games. Now hit a ball, hit ball. It is like just a time pass. As you see, it is just like a time pass. It is just like a time pass. Now no batsman, no bowler, no is throwing ball, no is hitting ball. Just you want to click the hit the ball and just do whatever you want to do time pass. Now I not want this type of game. Now I want to create a new game. Now I remove this HTML and CSS file from these three boxes. Now again I go to ChatGPT and type a new game because I'm not interested in this type of game. So I want to create, let us say TikTok game. I want to create a tic-tac-toe game. Now the statement is common for all. This statement, I want to create a, after a, whatever you want to like to create, type here and copy the same statement. So give me mobile responsive code of HTML, CSS and JavaScript. I want to create a tic-tac-toe game. So give me mobile responsive code of HTML, CSS and JavaScript. Now it is creating HTML codings. It's done with HTML codings, and CSS coding start and end, and this is JavaScript coding. Now the process is similar, that now the coding is changed because we have need a new game. As you can see that this is JavaScript. Now I want to create this tic-tac-toe game. I want to just copy it, HTML code and paste over here. And I want to create a CSS code. I copied CSS code and copied here. Copy here. Now I want to create a Java code and I copied this Java code and paste here on CodePen. Now as you can see, our game is ready. Our game is ready. Now if you can play this X, this O, it is a multiplayer game. As you can see, pass and play game. You play for a time pass, whatever you do want. Now this is the message is displaying that X is a win. Now if you want to change this background, you can type ChatGPT on add background color. Now whatever you do want, let us I take blue color. so it is give something went wrong. Not problem, I want to. But if you like that, add background color blue color, add background color to blue color, so it gives. So no problem, we are happy with these things. Now our game is ready and our game is function properly with this proper thing. And I want to, and I want happy to see this. Okay, this game is ready for playing and for something time pass for also. Now this particular game, how to install on our mobile phones. Now this is a huge step, so I covered this step in the next video. So please recall it and please know this the code that I want to create. Please know this command, that is I want to create a tic-tac-toe game or whatever you want to play a game. So give me a mobile responsive code of HTML, CSS and JavaScript. Now again remember that the it cannot make a 3D game, not if you want to create a cricket game, it not provide a batsman and a bowler, it give us such a time pass game for which you can time pass for all other thing that. But it certain it is about out of 100 it give 10 of the games that it will okay games. Now you use this command in the ChatGPT and create your own game. If you like to install in your mobile, I want to create that video that how to install this game into our mobiles later on. Thank you very much.